In increasingly competitive and technology-driven business environments, organizations continuously seek methods to improve operational efficiency, reduce costs, and strengthen strategic focus. Achieving sustainable competitive advantage requires not only selecting appropriate corporate strategies but also designing business processes that support organizational objectives and respond effectively to changing market conditions. Within the program, Business Process Outsourcing, BPO, Harmon's Process Strategy Matrix, and Business Process Redesign, BPR, represent complementary approaches to process improvement and organizational transformation. These concepts enable organizations to evaluate which activities should be retained internally, outsourced to specialist providers, improved through automation, or fundamentally redesigned to increase efficiency and customer value. Together, they demonstrate how process management contributes to strategic success by aligning operational capabilities with long-term organizational objectives while promoting flexibility, innovation, and sustainable performance. Business Process Outsourcing, BPO, refers to the transfer of specific business processes or support activities to external specialist providers that can perform those activities more efficiently or economically than the organization itself. Rather than outsourcing isolated tasks, BPO involves delegating entire business processes such as payroll administration, customer support, information technology services, procurement, or logistics management. The strategic objective is to allow management to concentrate organizational resources on core competencies while external providers deliver supporting services using specialized expertise and economies of scale. As global competition intensifies and digital technologies expand outsourcing opportunities, BPO has become an increasingly important strategic tool for improving organizational competitiveness and operational efficiency. The framework identifies several important advantages of business process outsourcing. The most significant benefit is cost savings, which frequently represent the primary factor motivating outsourcing decisions because specialist providers often achieve lower operating costs through scale efficiencies and technological expertise. BPO may also contribute to improved customer care, as specialist service providers often possess advanced capabilities and dedicated resources that enhance service quality. Furthermore, outsourcing enables management to focus on core strategic activities, reducing administrative complexity and allowing senior executives to concentrate on innovation, competitive positioning, and long-term value creation rather than routine operational processes. Consequently, outsourcing can improve organizational flexibility while supporting strategic transformation and resource optimization. Despite these benefits, the framework also recognizes significant disadvantages of business process outsourcing that require careful governance and risk management. Complex organizational processes may create difficulties in identifying a single supplier, resulting in fragmented service delivery across multiple providers and increasing coordination challenges. Organizations may also be unwilling to outsource strategically significant processes because of concerns regarding competitive advantage, confidentiality, or operational control. Additional disadvantages include inflexible contractual arrangements, supplier management difficulties, challenges in bringing outsourced processes back in-house, problems measuring supplier performance, and data security risks arising from external access to organizational information systems. Effective outsourcing, therefore, requires robust contractual governance, performance monitoring, and risk management to ensure strategic objectives are achieved while protecting organizational assets and stakeholder interests. To assist strategic decision-making regarding business processes, the program introduces Harmon's Process Strategy Matrix, which evaluates organizational processes according to strategic importance and process complexity or dynamics. This analytical framework enables management to determine appropriate strategic responses for different categories of business processes by balancing operational significance against complexity and resource requirements. Rather than applying identical management approaches to all organizational activities, the matrix supports differentiated strategies that optimize efficiency while preserving competitive capabilities and strategic value creation. According to the framework, processes with low strategic importance and low complexity add relatively little value to products or services and therefore represent suitable candidates for outsourcing or management using minimum internal resources. By contrast, processes characterized by high strategic importance and high complexity contribute significantly to organizational success and customer value creation. These strategically important processes should therefore remain under close managerial control while undergoing continuous process improvement and automation to enhance operational efficiency and maintain competitive advantage. Harmon's matrix consequently provides a practical decision-making framework for resource allocation, process management, and strategic prioritization across the organization. The program also emphasizes the importance of business process redesign, BPR, which involves fundamentally reviewing and restructuring organizational processes to eliminate inefficiencies and improve overall performance. Unlike incremental process improvement, BPR seeks substantial performance gains through comprehensive redesign of workflows, responsibilities, and organizational activities. Rapid technological change, digital transformation, customer expectations, and competitive pressures increasingly require organizations to redesign traditional processes to improve speed, quality, flexibility, and cost-effectiveness. Business process redesign therefore supports organizational innovation while enabling firms to adapt successfully to changing business environments. The framework identifies several typical causes of problems within organizational processes. Activities may be unnecessary, creating waste without adding customer value. They may occur in the wrong sequence, reducing operational efficiency. They may exist within inappropriate swim lanes, creating excessive departmental boundaries and coordination delays. Essential activities may be missing, creating process weaknesses, or activities may take too long, increasing costs and reducing customer satisfaction. Identifying these deficiencies enables organizations to evaluate opportunities for process redesign while improving governance, operational performance, and service delivery. Correspondingly, the program outlines several typical solutions through business process redesign. Organizations may remove unnecessary swim lanes, simplify organizational responsibilities, eliminate non-value-adding activities, combine related job roles or process activities, reduce unnecessary handovers between departments, change the sequence of activities to improve workflow efficiency, or outsource selected activities where external providers offer superior performance. These redesign initiatives streamline operations, reduce duplication, improve communication, accelerate process completion, and enhance organizational agility while supporting strategic objectives and customer value creation. Successful redesign therefore combines operational efficiency with strategic alignment and continuous organizational improvement.